Welcome to the tour of this home. Please feel free to call or email any time of day for more information. Renovated. Just 5 minutes to the Limehouse Bridge boat ramp. Don't miss this beautiful one-story home that has been nicely renovated. Brand new kitchen with granite countertops, stainless appliances, new cabinets and fixtures. Hardwood floors throughout the open living room, dining room, and family room. Added laundry room off the kitchen has tile flooring. The large master suite has been added with its own ensuite bathroom with custom tile shower, new vanity and walk-in closet. New windows throughout, and the back has been opened up with a patio door and deck to enjoy your private wooded backyard. There are 3 other bedrooms and 2 full baths on the other side of the home, all with new carpet, tile, paint, fixtures. No HOA, so you can park your boat at home and be in the water in no time at all every weekend. The yard has been graded and new grass to allow for